Traditionally, when water pipes are damaged by age, root infiltration, or natural disasters, they're dug up and repaired. It sounds simple, but the demolition process to access pipes through walls and under sidewalks and roads is invasive, disruptive, time-consuming, and expensive. The next level in pipe repair is cured-in-place pipe, known as CIPP. With CIPP, installers insert a flexible liner into the existing pipe from open access points and cure it in place. Historically, these relatively stiff liners work well on straight pipes without transitions, but wrinkle or distort in locations with bends, such as building interiors. Now, Trelleborg's engineered coated fabrics operation is improving trenchless pipe rehabilitation even further by introducing Pipecure Flex liner fabric to tackle these challenges. PVC-free and environmentally responsible, Pipecure Flex is an installer's dream. After impregnating Trelleborg's cured-in-place liner fabric with thermosetting resins, installers retrofit it into old pipes and cure it in place. Pipecure Flex liner fabric is compatible with many resins and curing methods and can be used to repair clay, lead, PVC, or concrete pipes. Pipecure Flex liner fabric easily bends up to 90 degrees and transitions between pipes of different sizes, making it ideal for repairing horizontal and vertical pipes in residences, commercial buildings, and other challenging areas. After thermosetting with resins, the Pipecure Flex liner forms an ultra-strong structure with high abrasion, temperature, chemical, and hydrostatic resistance. Eco-friendly Pipecure Flex liner is manufactured in the USA with a solvent-free manufacturing process that uses less energy and space than other CIPP products. Repairs with Pipecure Flex are fast and cost-effective, producing significantly less waste and minimizing disruption to property and the public. Want to find out how Pipecure Flex can minimize cost, disruption, and environmental impact on your next pipe repair? Learn more today at pipecure.com.